Hi, my name's Patricia, and I teach arts and crafts at Red Bow Studio in New York. I'm going to show you how to make a crepe paper rose by twisting and spinning. So what you're going to need for this project is a piece of crepe paper, and what you want is a long strip of it. You really want it to be a lot longer than wider. So here, I'm even going to take it and kind of roll it up a little bit so that it's longer and thinner. What you're going to do is you're going to take it and you're going to fold it in half, like in a little V, and then you're going to twist it. And this is the center. So in the center I have a tight twist. It's tight for the center of the rose. And then I'm going to get looser. And as I do this, I'm going to create body by spinning my paper and twisting it. And notice how I can keep going around and around until you have a beautiful rose. And the longer your piece of paper, the more of a bud you'll have. And here, now I'm getting down to the stem. Again, more twisting and spinning. And you just keep twisting it so that it's really tight and strong and holds it in place. And there you have a gorgeous rose that you can give as a gift or put on a card or put in your house just to cheer things up. Enjoy.